Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Lexi. You can't see my bunny pants. These are my bunny pants. I'm a bit strange, but you probably know that by now. I'm gonna have a shower. I'm not gonna film that. Shower now. I'm gonna have a shower soon. I am showered. This is a good look for me, I like it. This is how I brush my teeth early in the morning. Thumbs up if you make a mess when you brush your teeth. Sorry if you're triggered by toothpaste. I use witch hazel on my face. My hair is dripping. And basically you just rub that on your face like this. And then I'm ready for the day. There's one more step to my morning routine and that's dancing. If you're having a bad day, a bad afternoon, a bad night, a bad morning, a bad time, if you're having a bad time, chuck on some bops and just bop around the room. Just kind of move. Just get all the negative. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. So right now, if you don't feel great, pause the video, pause it right after I tell you what to do. Don't pause it yet, otherwise you won't know what to do. Go into a room and close the door. And bop away, okay? Now pause the video and go do that. Let's move, let's go. Let's go to the next one. And then I'm gonna move the camera over there. Oh, hi! That's so cringy, I can't do this. Hi, Mum. No. Yes.
This one's stir stuff.
Wow.
Don't know what this one does.
Do you wanna show us that one?
Looks like a little bit of a bent pan.
So, me and Mum are turning this lovely, messy, beautiful room into an art room.
It's debatable.
What do you mean it's debatable?
I don't know what it's going to be.
An art room? Why is that debatable?
This is a futon. Okay.
Okay.
I might not want an art room.
Why? You want to do art?
I just want to sketch. I just need a pad and some pencils to sketch.
You have pad and pencils and you still don't do it. If you want some muffin trays, hit us up.
We don't need these maybe.
I'm abstract. So we just finished cleaning the room and found some lovely books from primary school. I'll make a longer video if you want to see some of the content in these lovely things, but I'm going to show you some right now. So this is my English book from year 3. Quite smarted. Okay, so it's like a poem, like one of these poems that go down and you write. Anyway, Quince. Quince is quiet, smart and intelligent. He has an unbelievable owner called Victor. Victor and Quince go on an endless quest. And then I drew a nice picture of Quentin and Victor. There they are. And I actually got a 9.5 out of 10 for this. Quentin, and this is Victor, the sexy beast. So it seems like I wrote a letter to someone. It says, "Dear Rebecca, you are revolting. I can't see how you put up with all these gross things, but I'm quite interested in your lunch. Do you think I could have your lunch tomorrow for a peanut butter sandwich? Anyway, I'm writing to say stop using your stinky rotten banana rubber. It's the world's worst rubber. Hey, have you ever tasted the rubber? If it tastes like my bog, which you haven't tried. I have it for strawberries. I know you will say no because you only like disgusting things. Would you like to come to my party? A cooking program. Do you want some lessons? You will get to cook normal food and maybe you can teach me. If you do, for goodness sake, learn how to cook. Okay. I think this is enough for one video. I'm going to close my video off here. So I hope you enjoyed my this video. I don't know. And make sure you subscribe if you want to see more. I'm going to post another video of me reading more of my primary school books. Yeah. And remember to dance. Just, okay. I'm going to go now. With your